Yahoo Fantasy Football Draft tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to begin drafting on Yahoo Fantasy Football, and we're talking specifically about fantasy football, first you open your browser and go to football.fantasysports.yahoo.com. I will make sure to drop a link in the description box below as well. Make sure to log in with your Yahoo account, by the way. Now here actually there is a couple of overview of drafting in Yahoo Fantasy. The first thing you'll need to do is fill your roster with as many great players as you can by participating in a draft, and you can just use this guide. So I'll make sure to drop this comprehensive link in the description box also. You have to get familiar with the available draft types, which are live standard drafts, live salary cap draft, auto pick draft, and offline draft. You have to get some practice with the mock draft as well. You also have server pre-draft check and room access entry time. You also have pre-ranked desired players in case you miss your draft, whether you're in a public or private league. Now, once you're on the website that I mentioned earlier, you can choose to join in one of their public leagues and compete with other fans at Yahoo, or you can create your own league by becoming a commissioner, setting the rules you like, and invite friends to play. Now for this, I'll just select join a public league, by the way, because just to get started with it, and you should be able to follow all of the other instructions, which are pretty much self-explanatory, and you'll be able to create your draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.